Good morning children, how you all are? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we completed exercise 49. Now I am going to start exercise 50. Okay, let us start our class. First one, by seeing the abacus write the numeral. First one, by seeing the abacus we should write the numeral. 5 spokes was given here. 2. Here they ask us to write the numeral. They only given the abacus. Abacus contains some spokes and beads. Basing on that, we can write the numeral of that. What is the numeral here? Count the beads and then place it. First 2 beads. Next 6 beads. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads. Here 1 bead and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beads. This is the number. Okay, what is this number, children? Can you write this number? What is this number? 26,000. 26,518. 518. 26,518. See the second one, Nana? 9,058 minus 4,949 equal to how much? Okay? 9,058 minus 4,949 equal to how much? What they have asked? You have to do subtraction. 9,058 minus 4,949. 8 minus 9 not possible, so borrow it. 10 plus 8, 18. Now it is 5 minus 1, 4. 18 minus 9, 9. 4 minus 4, 0. 0 minus 9 not possible. Nana borrow it. 10, it becomes 8. 10 minus 9, 1. 8 minus 4, 4. It's nothing but 4,109. 4,109. See the next one. Third one, 8 groups of 10. 8 groups of 10. 8 groups of 10 plus 8 groups of 10 plus 1,000 equal to how much? What is 8 groups of 10? 8 groups of 10 means 80 to 10, 80. And they are asking us to add this 80 to 1000. 80 plus 1000. It's nothing but 1080. Fourth one. Which length is bigger? Which length is bigger? Which length is bigger? Which length is bigger? 100 centimeter or 100 meter? Which measure is bigger? That one only we have to see. Which length is bigger? That one only. See that. 10 centimeter, 100 centimeter or 100 meters. Which measure is more, Amma? Meter measure is more. So 100 meter is the bigger one. See the fifth one. Write a fraction whose numerator is 4 and denominator is 9. They are asking us to write the fraction whose numerator is 4 and denominator is 9. So that fraction is 4 by 9. And that fraction is 4 by 9. They ask us to write a fraction which is having numerator 4 and denominator 9. Okay, see the sixth one, Nana. 8 hours a week. Ram works 8 hours a week. How many hours does he work? How many hours? How many hours does he work? How many hours does he work in 70 days? Usually Ramu works 8 hours in a week. In 1 week he will work 8 hours. In 1 week he will work 8 hours. How many hours does he work in 70 days? First we should find how many number of weeks are there in 70 days. Number of weeks in 70 days. That means 70 divided by 7. 1 week contains 7 days. Na? What is the 70 divided by 7 in 7 table when it comes to 70 children? 7 times 70. 7 times 70. So 10 weeks. They are saying 1 week 8 hours. Number of hours Ramu works in a week 8 hours. So number of hours Ramu works in 10 weeks. So 8 into 10, 8 times 80 hours. 80 hours he will work. Okay. See the next one, Nana. A circus started at A circus started A circus show started at 7th one. A circus show started at 6:20 p.m. A circus show started at 6:20 p.m. and went for 55 minutes. When did it end? When did it end? By what time it ends? What is the time? Started at 6:20 p.m. So circus show started at 6:20 p.m. Circus show started at 6:20 p.m. and it went for 55 minutes. What is the duration of circus? Duration 55 minutes. What is the duration of time? 55 minutes. So by what time it ended? So circus show ended at 6:20 plus 55. It's nothing. 5, 7, 6, 75. Only 75 minutes. 1 hour contains 60 minutes only. So 75 minutes nothing but 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour contains 60 minutes. If you subtract 60 from 75, you will get 1 hour 15 minutes. So add that 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes to this. Then if you add 1 hour to this, it becomes 7 hours 15 minutes. So it's 6:20 p.m. So 7:15 p.m. that show ends. That show ends at 7:15 p.m. See the next one, 8th one, Nana. See the 8th one, children. See the 8th one. The figure shown is a. The figure shown is a dash. What the figure they given? They given this shape and asking us to. They given one shape and they are asking us to shape of this figure. What is this figure shape, Amma? It is in the shape of cylinder. It is in the shape of cylinder. What is the shape of this figure? It is cylindrical shape. Ninth one. Divide a circle A into half and B into 8. Circle A, circle B. Two circles was given and they asked us to divide circle A into half. They asked us to divide circle A into half. How we will divide A into half? If you divide like this, it will be half. Circle B into eighths. Eighths means circle B into 8 parts. Now 2 parts, 4 parts, 6 parts and 8 parts. Each part is 8th part. Okay. See the last one, 10th one. Complete the puzzle or complete the circle. Complete the circle. 10th one. Complete the circle. Complete the circle. See this. Third one, 45. And they divided it into 4 parts. 30, 50. Here 20, they asked us to find. Here blank 28. Here blank 18. To get 45, how it should be added? This is the question. First one. 45 minus, here one number 18. 45 minus 18. 15, now it is 3. 15 minus 8. 7. 3 minus 1, 2. So the first blank is 27. Okay, go to that side. 28. Subtract 45 minus 28. 15, now it is 3. 15 minus 8. 7. 3 minus 2, 1. 17. Fill that with the 17. At last one left. 20 here. You have to get 45. 45 minus 20. Find 4 minus 2, 25. So answer is 20. Like that we can come. That means in each and every time you have to get the sum 45. Okay children, in the next class we will meet you again. Till then